Hello everyone, welcome to our webinar. It is my pleasure to introduce the most powerful Edge AIoT platform, iEPF-9000S and iEP-9000E series. There are two types for different vertical markets. One is iEP-9000E series, which is compact and fanless in design, making it the perfect solution under limited space. In addition, iEPF-9000S series with flexible configurations and expansion slots meet applications that demand expansion cards such as GPU card for AI inference application, motion card for motion control, as well as vision card for machine vision. Let me show the overview of our products through the next video. Following the advancement of Intel platforms, iEPF-9000S and iEP-9000E series are powered by Intel's latest generation platform and processors with server-grade like Xeon W and Core i that have excellent computing performance. We also understand how our customers need huge bandwidth in memory to address the AI tasks. We are the only one who can support 4 DDR4 SO-DIMM sockets. It is a huge upgrade of memory size, which makes it perfect for AI applications. Moreover, we have ECC function to control errors in data over unreliable and noisy communication channels. Edge AI applications require supercomputing power and massive amounts of memory to deal with parallel and multitask computing. iEPF-9000S and iEP-9000E series are cost-effective edge computing solutions to meet these speed and accuracy requirements. The Comet Lake platform has an apparent increase in performance, 31% faster on multi-thread performance and 11% faster on single-thread performance. There are three main points compared with previous Coffee Lake platform. One is its CPU core. Two is memory frequency. Three is multi-thread support. The table below shows comparison to Coffee Lake LGA1151 socket. Comet Lake LGA1200 has designed with higher pin count to improve power delivery. The processor cores increased from 8 up to 10. The multi-thread function was only supported by Core i9 CPU on Coffee Lake, but Comet Lake supports from Pentium to Core i9 as well as Xeon W with multi-thread support, making the CPU more powerful. Memory frequency increased from DDR4 2666 up to 2933 MHz. We put all I/Os within the compact size with one panel that can be used easily by customers. Rich I/Os include 8-channel digital input and output, 6 COM ports, 4 ports support RS-232, 422, and 485, 4 USB 3.2 Gen 2, and 2 USB 2.0. Video outputs include 2 display ports and 1 VGA. There are 5 Intel GigaLAN with 2 supporting PoE for network connectivity. Audio is supported by mic in and line out. Line out is set for alarm speaker when emergency situations happen. We also have DC in as well as ignition connector, which is ideal for vehicle applications. iEPF-9000S and iEP-9000E series feature a front accessible design with rich industrial-centric I/Os to connect various industrial devices, which satisfies the most demanding in edge AI verticals, such as factory automation, autonomous vehicle, robotics control, and much more. We provide 4 SATA ports for storage and have RAID functions to secure higher data security and ensure data reliability. External 2.5-inch hard disk trays support hot swap function and is user-friendly in design. Users can eject the trays easily without needing any tools. Furthermore, built-in M.2 key M socket with PCI Express by 4 lanes support NVMe to provide faster access of data transmission for users. iEPF-9000S and iEP-9000E series provide flexible storage device options, 4 user-friendly 2.5-inch hard disk hot swap trays, and RAID function for backup security. This new platform is designed for vertical markets like industrial automation. We understand how the PCI Express and PCI cards are both widely used, so we offer different options for expansion slot cards. Option A is 1 PCI Express by 16 slot, 1 PCI Express by 8 slot, and 2 PCI Express by 4 slots. Option B is 1 PCI Express by 16 slot, 1 PCI Express by 8, and 2 PCI slots. We can support GPU card through PCI Express by 16 slot for the applications with strong demand in GPU computing power as AI inference application. The maximum dimensions we can support for graphic card is 216 mm in length, 113 mm in height, and 45 mm in width. The maximum TDP of graphic card we can afford is up to 180 watts. The latest NVIDIA Ampere architecture graphic cards such as RTX A4000, RTX A2000, and RTX 3060 can be supported by this iEPF-9000S EX4 system. Besides the graphic card, the riser card have options for PCI Express by 4 slot, for frame grabber card, and PCI slot for motion card. iEPF-9000S series is highly integrated system with different combinations of PCI and PCIe slots to meet the needs for expansion, industrial automation, and AI inference application. After the introduction of riser card, here's the list for internal slots. We design multi-M.2 to increase diversity and support different wireless transmission. M.2 key E slot can support Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. M.2 key B slot with SIM card socket is used for 5G and LTE module. Moreover, we keep Mini PCI Express socket for legacy Mini PCI Express devices. There are various support of Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, 4G, LTE, and 5G network modules, making iEPF-9000S and iEP-9000E series the ideal solution for autonomous vehicles, smart factories, and smart city. As part of our expertise, we have a very rugged design and spec in our products, such as wide range of operating temperature from -40 degrees Celsius to 75 degrees Celsius, Based on the IEC 60068 regulation, iEPF-9000S and iEP-9000E series have high shock and vibration resistance to ensure always-on functionality even in a harsh environment. Let's now look at the useful feature on power design. The wide range of power input voltage is from DC 9 to 36 volts. This can support the power demand of in-vehicle and factory automation. We add the ignition control, which can be set for 13 modes with different power on and power off delay durations to provide additional reliability for mobile applications. Furthermore, we offer fully powered protections to avoid any unexpected situation like surge, unstable voltage and current that may break the system, wide input voltage range, flexible power management and protection can fulfill the demand in power design for in-vehicle and factory automation. iEPF-9000S series features applications ready by workload consolidation, and we have one use case here to address the core capability and our customers' adoption benefits. A leading DMS company used iEPF-9000S series to empower the AOI system with machine vision for product quality inspection has resulted in 100 times efficiency enhancement, cost reduction, and space-saving upgrades. In the traditional setting, they use two IPC systems for the entire AOI process. One industrial control PC manages robotic arm and PoE camera to catch images. Another GPU computing system functions under Linux OS to process AI inference and image analysis for product quality inspection. However, product quality inspection through two systems require higher equipment and maintenance costs, and also much more space, resulting in less efficiency in production line. To solve the cost and space problem, iEPF-9000S was introduced to the process all AOI tasks for quality inspection through workload consolidation and replaced the traditional setting using two IPC systems. With one iEPF-9000S, the CPU cores can be easily allocated for different OS and programs that are built on the virtual machine. The CPU Core 1 functions image process and motion control, and CPU Core 2 works as AI inference and image analysis for quality inspection. In addition, we use the shared memory to reduce the transmission time, and this brings 100 times faster than transmit data by physical LAN. Thanks to the workload consolidation capability, iEPF-9000S replaces two IPC in a traditional setting and reaches 100 times more efficiency enhancement, space-saving upgrades, and cost reduction, accelerating the development of factory automation. Mission-critical applications need reliable systems to ensure the process works normally and smoothly. iEPF-9000S and iEP-9000E series provide high-performance computing, multiple I/O inferences, and rugged design in chassis, which are perfectly integrated systems for mission-critical applications such as robotic control, autonomous vehicles, manufacturing automation, and smart pole. There are three main parts in the architecture of smart factory: OT, IT, and CT. The first section is OT, such as HMI and PLC. The second portion is IT, it is cloud computing. The third portion is CT, which is the bridge to connect OT and IT as well as edge computing. iEPF-9000S and iEP-9000E series are designed with supercomputing performance and flexible configuration on I/O and expansion slots. It can play a critical role as an AI edge computer in the CT portion to accelerate the development of smart factory. Thank you for joining our product launch webinar on the new Edge AIoT platform. Let's sum it up. Our iEPF-9000S series and iEP-9000E series provide supercomputing power, rich I/Os, expansions under compact size and rugged design, plus workload consolidation. It is well suited for mission-critical applications such as manufacturing automation, robotic control, autonomous vehicle, smart pole, and more. We hope you will have greater interest in our new Edge AIoT platform after today's webinar and work with us to accelerate development of your applications and co-create an intelligent world. Thank you.